Hello everyone. This hour of presentations is sponsored by Heritage Hive, helping museums and heritage sites be the change. I'm Jo.
And I'm Philipa.
And we're 2/4 of Heritage Hive. You'll hear from our lovely Australian counterparts Jenny and Sarah when they give the talk Crafting the Past, Extending the Visitor Experience and Transforming Museum Retail. We are 4 archaeology graduates with a wide range of skills and experience in a variety of industries, from retail to museum curation and design to tourism. We all met through archaeology and have shared some amazing experiences. Jenny and Sarah came to visit Scotland to take part in a field school I was running and stayed afterwards to explore the history of Scotland. Unfortunately, they were finding a lot of the same items in a variety of different shops. Haven't we all had that experience? And isn't it wonderful when you discover an object that speaks to you, saying, I was lovingly made and I'm unique, and I'll remind you of your wonderful time in Scotland every time you look at me, and incidentally, I'll look amazing on your shelf. So, we're going to fill a gap in the market.
We're a small start-up business based in Scotland with big ambitions of helping cultural retail across the UK
and beyond
to become environmental and social change makers. Our team are creative archaeologists with a love of nature and a desire to create social and environmental justice. We identified a problem in the cultural industry. Retail often does not reflect the goals, aspirations, and messages of museums. We want to share our passion for archaeology and prehistory and help create a better world by replacing cheap plastic imported souvenirs with quality, sustainable, and unique items handcrafted by local artisans. Our clients are cultural retailers, but our end customers are eco-conscious consumers and tourists interested in archaeology and prehistory. Our aim is to transform cultural retail to a zero-waste circular model that respects and promotes our shared human past while helping to create a new future. To do this, we are offering circular and regenerative product design based on collections within individual museums. We will provide opportunities for local employment and apprenticeships in traditional crafting practices to a wide range of people, particularly those in difficult circumstances. We will assist established and inspiring artisans to grow their skills in zero-waste eco-design, to help them create products suitable to the cultural retail market, and to sustainably scale their production to meet demand. We want to help our planet through the careful selection of materials and processes that retain ecosystems, build soil, and increase biodiversity. We will also be continuously donating to regeneration projects. We want to create a culture of makers and museums that strive for application of eco-design principles across all areas and are intent on becoming change makers, where sustainability focus is the norm. Jo will now tell you a bit about our pilot project.
We're currently working with the amazing Caithness Broch Project in Scotland to implement our programme of producing sustainably eco-designed souvenirs and gifts. The aim of the Broch Project is to build a brand new broch using ancient techniques to boost the tourism of the Caithness area, which is very much in line with our own philosophy of using ancient techniques and materials. We're currently sourcing local artisans to co-design suitable products to add to the existing online broch shop, which are inspired by the archaeology of Caithness. We are adding a local range to their existing merchandise available through the online shop, which currently includes mugs, calendars and t-shirts and is produced by an online vendor. Our crafters will be making items using locally sourced and sustainable materials based on actual archaeology discovered in and around brochs. Being local is important to us as it cuts down the environmental transport costs and is a crucial factor in beginning a circular economy. It also provides a well-needed economic boost to the area and will hopefully generate more interest in both the Broch Project's work and our own venture. All new products will be quality controlled to ensure the highest possible environmental outcomes. We will ensure a fair price for local artists and makers, as well as maintaining quality control and safety standards. If you're still wondering what a broch actually is, or you want to see what they're up to, then have a look at the Caithness Broch Project's website at thebrochproject.co.uk. Both the Broch team and ourselves are excited to see the new items on sale soon. We're hoping to add to this scheme in the very near future by finalising collaborations with other museums and heritage sites across the UK. We also hope to share information and resources with our sister organisations across Europe,
and beyond.
And we're open to and welcome collaborations and investors.
We know that having a deeper connection with the past, working as part of a team, and creating things with your own hands can improve individual well-being, as it has for all of us. And we wanted to share the benefits we have been lucky enough to have with others, create some amazing objects, and maybe help save the planet along the way.
If you're interested in being involved, give us a buzz.
Let's start a sustainable revolution. Be the change.
Thanks for listening. We're sorry we couldn't be with you in person, but we hope you enjoy the upcoming talks and have a great conference. Remember to be the change.